to peace in our love. Learn to separate ourselves from us. We had patience when life gets too much, and I'm so proud of where we have come from. Cause we've been through hell, back again, push me out to the edge. Arguments, grab a